Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 37 says, an individual's reflection. Take note. An individual's reflection of needs, which is desire of needs and desires in life. Let us replace it with aspiration in life is dash value. That is, what values, or under what types of value can we classify personal needs and desire or aspiration? A, general. B, group. C, national. D, personal. E, societal. When we talk of general, it means that it belongs to everybody, everybody, or applicable to everyone. Then group, it means that it belong to set of persons that have things in common. Then when we talk of national, it is statism. That is, belongs to everybody in that country. For instance, Nigeria. Then personal, it means self. Then societal means it belongs to the whole. That is, it covers everyone in the society. So, and we are talking of individual. So individual means one person. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.